Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn about run method in ASP.NET Core Web API application. Let's open a startup class. Inside this class, we have configure method. This method has two parameters. So we can use this app parameter to add code for run method. Let's write app.run. Okay, let's see the definition of this run method. Right click, then click go to definition. See here, this method is available in run extensions class. Summary adds a terminal middleware delegate to the application's request pipeline. This is an extension method. First parameter is app. Second parameter is request delegate handler. We can use this method over here. Okay. Remember, .NET Core will work on async programming, so we can write entire code in async mode. Okay, let's write code in async way. Async keyword, then context, arrow function. So inside the description, I can use await keyword, then context dot response dot here will write async write async. Then we will show the some output message. Hello from run. That's it. Now let's add a namespace. Write async belongs to using Microsoft.ASP.NETCore.HTTP. Now save and run this application. See here, we have the output, that is we have written in run method. Okay, now stop the execution. Let's add one more run method with a different output. Copy this and paste it below that. Hello from run 2. Save this and run this application again. See here, there is no impact in the output because this run method is used to complete the middleware execution. If you are using this run method, then the request pipeline will complete the execution from this run method. Then whatever the code written after this run method, that will not work. Okay, now stop the execution. Let's command this run method. Save and run this application again. See here, this time we have the output from second run method. So this is how we can use run method in ASP.NET Core web application. Thank you so much for watching this video.